In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching an app you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen. Then access it in the background and click on those three dots at the top of it. When you see this pop-up, tap on split screen and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at once. To go back from this view, you need to hold this line in the middle and drag it all the way up or all the way down. Then hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!